Okay, this... Now, I'm sure you're both wondering, but where's the component? There's nothing here!
Oh, it's that lamp thingy, right? What?
Yes. Showing people the ropes is supposed to be my job.
Cheer up, Edea. The Hydro-Eidolon can give a basic demonstration of how to use. That's where you come in.
Paimon forgot how persuasive Kokomi can be when she really wants to.
Oh, well, if you put it that way. Well then, this is called the streaming projector. Everything here and all you need to do is place an item in the projector, and you can construct a corresponding item based on the shape of the original and your imagination. At least, I think that's what it used to do. With the domain in its current state, only its most basic functions are still operable. Okay, not quite that basic. Think of it like a sort of draft or blueprint or something.
So you're saying the...
Yes, exactly.
Really?
No, sorry.
Hey, come on, cheer up!
Doesn't look like the component is in here. Yes, that's the one! Now you just need to bring it back out.
What is this thing anyway? And why is it so small? It doesn't...
It's hard to explain, but I assure... So that leaves 3...
Every journey begins with a first step. I think...
You really think so? I suppose you're right. Anyway, thank you for... I'll take this and start trying to repair the central hub. Oh, why am I so clumsy? Once again, I was no help at all. The least...
Quietly now.
Emerge. Right now. Emerge.
Scatter!
Right here.
I'll keep this close.
Busted.
Emerge. Right here.
Take it easy. A chest full of valuables and a trove of potential clues.
Rise!
Certainly worth the extra mile.
Treasure. One way to draw your target out of hiding. Take it easy. Easy money.
Stabilize!
Gotcha.
Propagate! Spring forth!
Quietly now.
Right now. Emerge. Right now.
One man's stone is another man's gem. Sure. Unsolicited, and all the more valuable for it.
Take it easy.
One man's stone is another man's gem.
Pokemon?
I'm just a little confused. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Oh, sure!
I see.
Hey, look! The wheel is spinning now! Oh, and now it's stopped again!
It also wasn't spinning at the right speed. Before the incident, it spun much faster than that.
Oh, so you saw it back when it was...
Oh, yes. I arrived here a little earlier than the rest of you. But the incident took place not long after I entered. Like Idia said, it felt like the world was flipped upside down. I don't know how...
No, it's no use. Seems it won't run until all the missing components are returned. For a moment there, when it started turning, I got excited.
Wishful thinking is only going to lead to disappointment, Idia.
Hey, Mr. Honorary Knight and Miss General are here. You beat us! I was sure we were...
Hey, how did... Impressive. I doubt you'd find many other knights of such caliber even among the Knights of Favonius.
How about our master thief and mage?
You bet! The place we were trying to get to was blocked off. We couldn't see it, but then, just now, a huge canyon... Come and see, Mr. Honorary Knight. Let's go on a canyon adventure.
I'll sit this one out. I'm beat after trying to make those repairs.
Miss General, you should come too.
Wonderful. It would be an honor to...
Let's go!
One man's stone is another man's gem.
Treasure. One way to draw your target out of hiding.
sure.
Just before the canyon appeared, I heard a faint sound. Like
Ka-chuck, ka-chuck, ka-chuck.
Could it have been the central hub?
Hey, you, oh. New guys, huh?
Oh, hey! Paimon didn't realize any...
You actually saw her? She's barely shown her face since everything started falling apart here.
Excuse...
Oh, right. I didn't introduce myself. Well, we used to, until this whole domain was, like, flipped upside down, or whatever. The method we were using to make the carts and tracks stopped working after that.
Idea is working on repairing the domain.
Really? Huh. I assumed that she'd be curled up in a fetal position somewhere, hoping... Anyway, I checked all the stations around the whole circuit. They've all...
Conked out? How?
But aren't you just travelers who stumbled upon this place by accident?
Nuh-uh! I'm Mage Klee, Idea's helper.
A mage?
Allow me to...
Okay, I gotcha. Well, right now the more helpers we got, the better. Anyway, our first part...
Oh? And why is that?
The roads here twist and turn so much that the best way to get around is by riding the rail tracks instead. Let me show you. This is what we used to make them. Did Idea bring you up to speed on these things? Yep. Basically, we need something that we can put inside that'll make a car...
Like what? Can it be...
Yeah, you can put it that way. But one other thing is that it has to be compatible with the tracks.
So... something like... a sedan chair, maybe?
How about you, Traveler? Any ideas? That would solve the issue of materials.
Wood's no good. A rickety wooden cart would be too dangerous.
Really? Hey everyone, come and see what Klee made.
Ta-da! Look! I made a cart! Wow! Amazing work, Klee!
Whoa! It fits the track like a glove, too. Plus, it's a heck of a lot cuter than the ones Idea made.
I just wanted to give it a try. Then suddenly, boom! There! Paimon's gotta ask. What exact... I used Jumpy Dumpty. Aha! Thought so.
Is there a problem?
It's just... this card is made from...
It's a bomb or something, isn't it? Yeah, I gathered from your conversation that Jumpy Dumpty is a little more volatile than the cute name suggests. It's okay, though, because the end product only takes on the general look of the source material.
It's okay! No need to delve into the theoretical. Paimon just wanted to make sure we aren't about to end up like the, flying fish of Starfell Lake.
Huh?
Can we ride the cart now?
In a moment, we need a hydroidolin to power... Okay, she's ready to roll.
Whoa! This cart is fast! Chugga 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 choo! Woo woo! Yeah! I'm gonna call it the choo-choo cart!
The track is damaged up ahead. We need to make some repairs before we can go any further. Yep, looks like it's all reverted to a preprint state here.
Do you know why that happened?
Everything in this domain starts as a preprint and only takes shape after being illuminated, but the hydroidolon that forms the tracks here has been trapped in the print.
So someone needs to go into the preprint and...
But the projector here is sealed off by a giant...
That's the hydroidolon's way of protecting the device from damage.
Aha! So for step 1, we need water droplet to help! Aw, it seems to...
Any volunteers for step?
Leave that to us! We know what to do!
Ah, so the hydroidolon was locked up in that chest.
Aw, it's completely empty! Yay! We saved 2 water droplets now! Whoa! Water droplet just transformed into some new tracks!
Good. Let's keep going then.
Hey, Ferdinand! You mentioned that you managed this place together with your brothers. Did you mean that your brothers are water droplets?
No, the hydroidolons are like helpers here. As for my brothers, well... those two. You'll meet them soon enough.
Is this an answer from this world?
Look! Klee can fly just like Paimon now! This is way more exciting than how Paimon usually flies!
Seems we've just about finished repairing the station and the connecting tracks. Let's go check the track switcher now. It's over there.
here. It's so, but, not as big as the one we saw in the middle of this place. I bet it's something super important.
Very good, Klee. You're using what you saw earlier to make a... It appears...
That's right. Original. But
Is this Jeremy you mentioned one of your brother?
yeah. When I talked to him about repairing the tracks, I suggested we start with the station. But really, it made no difference which one. Let's see what he has to say now that I've already fixed the track.
Well, if you ask me, you're clear.
Yes! Finally someone who can recognize that, rather than just shrugging off my ideas.